let's check it out. Oh, it's very windy. Look how close it is. And we are right here. It already engulfed that. About 2 more weeks. Yeah. Oh, really? Right here. Boarding up the whole place. Ghost town. That's our cottage right there. We're actually lower than these guys. These guys are boarding up the windows. We're really low to the water right there. Okay, so we're officially evacuated from our cottage. We're in the process of going to the new place. Cleaning up the pool, they're taking everything down. The winds have picked up tremendously. Basically, I've been moved into the apartment complexes. It's the bathroom. Outside. Full kitchen. Very nice, very nice. It's cool. Closet, suitcases.
Oh, the TV's in front, so.
TV. Hey! This nice lady has bought our survival gear. Our lamp.
Okay, these are some lamps.
Okay.
Okay. This one is a pressed on one.
Okay.
Okay. Then we have a small one here.
Okay.
That's a survivor's lamp. Then we have some extra candles, batteries, water, and flashlight.
Okay, great.
Okay, sweetie. And toes. This toe is for if the rain comes through the door right here, you can just rest this underneath the door so that the water don't come in, and an extra mat for you.
Did you hear that? If the rain
Okay.
comes through the door.
Yes. And extra batteries.
Okay. Thank you so much. You want to say your name?
Patricia.
Thank you,
You're
Patricia.
welcome, honey.
Bye.
Bye. Be safe. I put the candles right there for you.
Okay.
And extra matches.
Okay, thank you so much. Bye.
Be safe.
I'm gonna catch you going out. Good luck out there.
Yes, thank you.
Bye. They taped our windows. We're actually on the bottom man, on the right. That guy wrote. They taped our windows. We're actually on the bottom man, on the right. Yeah. No, that one. Alright, I think we should hurry up.